Guys, I will show you how to fix the trigger on the zapper. It's not hard to do. Basically we have 1 screw, 2 screw, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Pop out that just like this. We'll try to show you how to do it, okay? Not a big deal, but it's difficult with only one hand. Okay, well, I finally got it. I needed 2 hands. Okay, just make sure to replace this spring. Okay, and just place the screw back. It's working. If you don't hear the click, it's only the little spring here. Okay. Well, I hope it's helped you guys. Thanks for watching.